All right, into week 6 of mindfulness and coming close to a little bit of a break. If any of you are going to be doing your field placement over the break, which I did and most of my other classmates did, that would be a really good time to do some of the mindfulness. We're even working over the break. It can be a lot. And I don't know if you guys have started the your spiritual journey presentations. If you haven't, I really tell you to look forward to them. They were wonderful when we did them last year and got to know people on a totally different level than what we'd known over the past 3 years. So this week we're going to do another visualization one. Sorry, can't say that word. And this one's a waterfall. So it's the same concept of last week with the letting go with the balloons. This time, and this is actually one of my favorites too, is you're going to picture a waterfall. Now whether you're sitting on the side and watching this waterfall, or I like to picture being behind the waterfall in a little cavern type, so I can feel some of the water splashing on me, but behind it so I don't get soaked. Some people like to picture kind of a river, just kind of going down without the waterfall. The waterfall can be as loud or as soft as you want it. And what you're going to do is picture your emotions one at a time, going over the waterfall or down the river, and just down the river floating away, over the waterfall going and floating to the bottom and floating away. This is another way to kind of help disengage from emotions when you're overwhelmed. And once again, if you find that this is not working for you, you can adapt it to any type of water or emotions floating, or if visualization is not your thing, you can do one of the previous ones that we've done. So once again, go ahead and get comfortable. And as you are getting comfortable, if you notice the classroom next door, all the noises going on there, especially those of you who sit closest to the door to the next classroom, I know it got really distracting at times. Just bring yourself back. Bring yourselves back as you can, or what you need to with the different exercises. Figure out to get comfortable. And I think you might have noticed in the last video, I switched my positions fine. Absolutely fine, nothing wrong with that. And adapt it as you need to. So go ahead, as I take a sip of water, just take a deep breath in, and then out. And in, and out. In, and out. Feel free to go ahead and close your eyes as you're breathing in and out. And picture the waterfall. Maybe you want to picture the color of it. Like I said, I picture myself standing behind it. I can hear it, the noise of it, the feel of it. And just start to notice the emotions falling down the waterfall. And just notice them. You don't have to catch them or anything like that. They can just fall over and float away. So go ahead and continue that on your own. All right, and as you can, open up your eyes, reorient yourself, maybe flex a little, and process that one as well. And once again, Dr. Sadtler will give me feedback about those two exercises and the other exercises we've done. And as she turns on the lights, kind of prepare your eyes for that. And I wish you good luck. All right, see you next week. Bye.